Year 6, we're really missing you here at school. It's not the same in Year 6 without you. I hope you're all staying well and looking after your families and working really, really hard. We thought we'd start today. This is going to be a video you could watch and just to warm yourselves up with before you do Mrs. Burton's video, which is all going to be using some of these skills after this. So have a look at the numbers on the board. These are the numbers 9, 4 and 1. What do you know about them? Have a think. Make sure that you've got today a whiteboard and a pen and a rubber. If you haven't got one of those, don't worry. You can just as easily use a piece of paper or some sort of book and your pencil. So have a look at the numbers. What do you know about them? You're correct. They are actually squared numbers. Can you think of any other squared numbers? Write them down now. So you might have just come up with some of these numbers up here. There's some examples of some squared numbers. So how do you get a squared number? Well, a squared number is found by taking any number at all, like a 3, and putting a tiny little 2 up the top. Now this is revision, so it's not anything new, and it's something that lots of you already know. So looking at this tiny little 2 up here, it means that you're going to do 1 number 3, 2 number 3s, and you're going to multiply them together. So this means that you are squaring the number 3, and this is indices, it's to the power of 2. So 3 3s are 9. You might like to have a go at some of these. There's 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared. Have a go, work them out. I expect you did that really, really quickly. 4 times 4 is of course 16, and if you know your times tables, you know 5 5s are 25 and 6 6s are 36. So by squaring a number, you are taking this number and timesing it by that number again. So you know how to square a number. What happens if, instead of having a tiny little number 2, so to the power of 2, or using this as the indices, you actually have a little 3 at the top? Well, we have learnt this before as well, so I'm going to write 6. Now this time it's not squared, this is cubed. So what is 6 cubed? Write down your answer. You're going to take the number 6 3 times, multiplying it like this. So you work out 6 times 6. 6 times 6, well that's 36. Now, I'm a bit stuck. So I've got to multiply 6 times 36. If I'm not sure, I'll use some of the formal methods that we know. 6 6s are 36, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 216. I picked a challenging one there. Have a go at this one. 4 cubed. Pause the video while you work it out. So 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. There's 1, 2, 3 4s in this number sentence. So first of all, you do 4 times 4. 4 4s are 16. And then you multiply it by 4. The answer is 64. Well done, all of you. I bet you did really, really well with that. Check your answers as you go. You might like to try some more. 5 cubed. Have a go at 7 cubed. What happens if you take the number 10 to the power of 3? This is called indices as well, remember that. You'll need that for when you do some learning with Mrs. Burton in a little while. So have a go at some more of these, and if you fancy it, you might like to try and see what happens when you get a number and you do something else to it, like this. What do you do with that one? It's been really lovely catching up with you all. Keep working hard, and we will see you very, very soon. Lots of love. Bye.